Okay, today I'm going to show how to draw a Christmas tree in PHP. Okay, to start off, we need to open a PHP tag. Okay, and then the easiest way to do it is by echo the star, then echo star, echo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be looking like, but we can just put something like this to give a break line. Okay. 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 Then you refresh. Okay. This is not a Christmas tree. Okay. Where you can see everything is aligned at the left side. So we need to give spacing here. Okay. So what we need to do is give this spacing. Okay. So in PHP, you cannot do like that. Okay. For example, do it like this. Dot, dot, this, dot. Now it won't. No, not works. Okay. Like this, it not works. Let me save the file and run. See? Still the same. So what we need to do is we need to take off everything here. Instead, we need to put P3. Okay. We need to put 2 times, or maybe we need to put 4 times. Okay. Over here, put 2 times. Then you save the file, save, you go here, reload. As you can see, this is how you draw a Christmas tree. But we are not going to use this method. Instead, we are using to use a for loop. Okay, so to make this Christmas tree, we need to identify how many rows. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we need total 3 rows. Okay, so what we do is we just took a variable as row, put it 3, and then in the for loop, we are going to loop 3 times. Okay, so we just give a variable as I, okay, I equals to 1, and then when this I is equals to row, and the increment will be plus plus. So this is the loops for row. Okay, what is happening here? If this loops run inside, we need to call another 2 row. Okay, this row is to print to print the spacing. Okay, and then this row is to print the star. Okay, okay. What is happening here? Just let me explain. Okay, now it says that I equals to 1. Okay, which means now we set it as the initial value. Okay, so for this, I smaller or equal to 0 means 1 smaller or equals to here number 3 equals to 3. Okay, so this is true because 1 is smaller or equals to 3. When this true, then it will execute here. Okay, so this is true. If let's say after one round this become 2, this will still execute here, and this 3 it will still run here, still run here. But if here become 4, then this will not run because 4 lesser or equals to 3, this is false. So when it is false, it will, when false, it will stop the loop. Okay, so that's why we need to print 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so now what we are going to write inside this loop is we write another variable as j equals to 1 as well. So now, as I said earlier, this line is to print the spacing, the indentation, print spacing or indentation, okay, which is the NPSP just now. Okay, so what you need to do is row minus I, and then j plus plus. Okay, if this is true, what we are going to do here is into echo this one p p p, right? So we need to give spacing. And for this one, we are going to print the star. So we give k equals to 1. And if k is smaller or equals to I, wherever I, okay, multiply 2 and minus 1. So I think it's better we put a bracket here. Okay, then k will plus k. So if this statement is true and loop is true, then we are going to print this star. Okay, let's see what's happened here. Let me save first and I will explain again. Okay, Ah, you see, it's printing like something like this. Okay. So what I need to do is actually I need to put an echo here to give a break. Then you can see the star like a Christmas tree. Okay. So let me explain what's happened here. So this line is printing the spacing. Okay. So we assign j equals to 1. J equals 1. Okay. And then when j is lesser or equals to rho minus 1, which means 1 smaller or equals to 3 minus 1. Okay. Okay. Assume here I equals to 1 now. Okay. So this 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Alright. So which means first loop we will echo here. Echo which means this spacing. Okay. Here we echo spacing. Okay. Now J after this loop finish, J is now become to 2. Okay. 2 lesser or equals to 2 is true. True. So print 1 more spacing. So it prints 1 more spacing here. Okay. And now J becomes 3. So this is false. So false if you go here now. So this is normal. Okay, go here now. So what happened here is now k is equals to 1, correct? So when k is equal to 1, so here we change it to 1 is to I is here now. Assume it's number 1. So 1 minus 1 multiply 2 is equals to 2. So 2 minus 1. So here total will be equals to 1. Okay. So 1 lesser or equals to 1 is true. So print this one. Print the star. And you will see we print 1 star here. Okay. So now here becomes 2. So this statement become false, and then it will stop this loop. Okay, once this loop is stopped, and if you read here BR, so we are going to move this line now. Okay, this is the BR. Move this line. So we come back here. Okay, now come back here. Okay, so I plus plus is now become I equals to 2. Okay, So here now becomes the 2. So we copy this one. So now this one we change to 2. Sorry, change to 2. And then here remains as 3. Okay, so this is true. Okay, so now second time it repeat everything here, repeat, and here repeat, and here also this line will be repeat. That's why we can see this like this and like this. Okay, so this is how we draw the Christmas tree using PHP follow. Okay, thanks for watching.